Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Debbie, and if you are not subscribed, what are you waiting for? Click that button down below and subscribe. I would really appreciate it. Also, please don't forget to click that bell and turn on your post notifications so you can get notified of any future videos. Alright you guys, so I'm really excited to share this little mini haul with you guys. I placed an order on Ulta.com and I'm ready to share what I picked up. Just a heads up, I did get a couple of eyeshadow palettes that I really didn't need, but I was like, oh, this is pretty, I need to get it, oh, it's on sale. Yeah, we're gonna get to that right now. So these are the first eyeshadow palettes, you guys, that I got. These are from LA Girl, and they are so beautiful. The packaging, I'm gonna go through each one individually, but this is the three that I got. So I did get, let's start off with one at a time. So first, this is what the packaging looks like. It's really pretty. They're all really nice packaging. As you can see, this is called Foreplay, and this is what the palette looks like. It's absolutely beautiful. This is a nice warm eyeshadow palette. Really nice for the fall time or any time, of course. Really beautiful. I know LA Girl came out with a huge eyeshadow palette, I think first before, no, they had the little mini ones that were long, and then they came out with like huge eyeshadow palettes with the mirror. I am not a big fan of the large eyeshadow palettes, so when I saw these and they were this size, I was like, this is more like convenience and more ideal for me, you know what I mean? So I love the size of it, I love the shades, and I'm just so excited to play with this palette because I love warm shadows. Like, I just love them. This one, you guys, I also got, and by the way, these were on sale for $6.99, so I was like, I have to get them all because later on I probably won't be able to get them. So yeah, so this one right here is really pretty as well. This is more of a metallic chrome packaging, and these shadows are just as gorgeous. I saw this and I was like, automatically like a beautiful smoky sultry eye look. So look at these shades, so beautiful, and I'm so excited. I can't wait to start creating looks with those palettes. They're so cute, mini, and I just love the packaging. I think it's so pretty. Of course, I had to get the rose packaging. Absolutely gorgeous. Look at that. They all have 9 shadows in the palettes, of course. And look at this. These are nice berry tones, of course, really nice for fall, and also really nice for Christmas and the holidays. I feel like this is going to be like a really beautiful eyeshadow palette. Going to create a lot of beautiful looks with it as well. From what I remember, I love the mattes in the LA Girl like large palettes like I was talking about. I got them at CVS, by the way, like a while ago, maybe like over a year ago. And I really like the mattes. I feel like the mattes are really nice, but the glitter shadows, they're kind of like, they're really smooth, but some of them were chunky and I didn't like them. But we'll get to those palettes when I test them out and see how well they actually perform. Now I have this BH Cosmetics 16 color eyeshadow palette. This one is nice. I'm guessing this one was for, well, is for the holidays, for Christmas time, and I was like, I have to get this now because later on I won't be able to get it. So this, of course, comes with a little mini mirror inside, and this is the palette. It fooled me, you guys. I honestly thought this palette was a lot bigger, but when I got it, it was super duper tiny. But I'm not mad at it. I think it's really pretty. You got your nice pops of color, you got your warm tones, you got these darker shades here, you have these really beautiful frosty shades here. Oh my god. Like this shade right here, Snowball, I'm like, oh my god. And this shade, what is it called? Angel? Oh my god. Do you see that? How gorgeous. So freaking pretty. Oh my god. That actually, Snowball is like a little duochrome. Like, ooh, very pretty. I can't wait to play with this palette, you guys. It's so nice for the holidays. Even now, like, I would definitely use this right now, but I don't know. I may hold off. I don't know. Let me know what you guys want to see first, which eyeshadow palette. But you guys, I'm not even done yet. But this is really pretty. Even though the little, the eyeshadows are really small, I feel like this is still a really nice little palette, you know? Really, really pretty. And of course, I don't think I zoomed in on the packaging. This is what the packaging looks like. Hopefully you guys can see it. Let's see, can you see it? There you go. You guys can see a little better now. It's really cute. And this one is called Ho Ho Holidays. And it also says nice on the back. So just in case. That was, I think, $12, maybe a little less. So now for the other two little shadows that I got. I had to pick these up from e.l.f. I absolutely love the little mini bite size, what are these? I don't want to confuse it. The bite size eyeshadow palettes. Like, these are so cute for $3, you guys. Starting off with this one is the Berry Bad. And look at this. So pretty. Really, really nice. I mean, I have no complaints about these little mini $3 eyeshadow palettes. I think they're perfect. They're beautiful. They're super affordable. Really nice and blendable. Very pigmented, like no joke. The only thing that I feel like people may not like about it is that there is a lot of pickup, and you will kind of run through the eyeshadow a little fast depending on how hard you dip your brush. So I would say be a little gentle with it, but other than that, that's honestly the only thing that I feel like is a negative towards these palettes. But other than that, like I said, the price is great, the blendability, and the pigment is amazing. So yeah, and because of that, I got this one as well. This one is called Carnival Candy, and I wasn't gonna get them, but I was like, you know what, let me get this. This shadow was like everything to me. I was like, I have to get it. This shadow is super beautiful. It's gonna be a nice pop of color, and you have your nice warm tones here. Really, really nice. And this is going to be like a really, really pretty eye look. I can see it already, and I'm dying to use this one, especially because of this color right here. Hopefully this color is just, you know, comes out looking just the way it is in the pan, because I will be very upset if it doesn't. It's really pretty. I don't even want to swatch it because I don't want to get disappointed. But then again, swatches don't mean anything. You know, I did the swatches, but honestly, to me, it's always on how it performs on the eye, as it is for a lot of other people. So we're not going to judge them yet, but they did, a couple of the palettes did swatch really, really nicely. So now I picked up a couple of things for kind of like a full face, you know. So I did pick up a new primer. This one is from Makeup Revolution, and this one is a Mattify Matte and Fix Primer. This is what she looks like, and I figured since I am oily on my T-zone, why not test out a new primer, because why not, you know? And really affordable as well. I love affordable products, love Makeup Revolution. I don't see why this wouldn't work out for me, but you never know. For foundation, I have been wanting to try this, but for some reason I never picked it up. This is the Flower Beauty foundation, and this is what she looks like right here. Hopefully you guys can see that. It's like the lights are reflecting off of it, but this is what it looks like. Hopefully you guys can see it now. But that is the Light Illusion Luminous Makeup Nude Skin Feel All Day Wear Broad Spectrum SPF 18 Sunscreen. So yeah, 1 fluid ounce, and I picked up the shade Soft Sand M2. It kind of looks a little light, I'm not gonna lie, so I'm kind of like scared on how this is going to look on me, but hopefully we get lucky and it's not as light on my face as it is on in the actual like packaging, because I don't know, it's kind of, I don't know, I'm kind of scared. Hopefully it's not. We will see. If not, I'm gonna have to obviously exchange it. But yeah, I ended up shade matching myself, I think, to the right one. Like I said, Soft Sand M2. So crossing fingers, guys. I also picked up the concealer from Flower. Is it Flower Beauty? Am I saying that wrong? I don't know. I think it's just called Flower. So got it from Flower. And this was the Light Illusion Full Coverage Concealer. It's a weightless formula, crease proof. So kind of excited for this. Like, I'm always down for a new concealer, and especially one that's affordable, you know. This one's in the shade Light Medium M1-2. So we shall see. I like the packaging. I like the, you know, it's like gold and white. Same thing as the foundation. Really, really cute. Very simple. And yeah. So that is that. And I also ended up getting a bronzer. This one is the Lottie London Tan Time Bronzer. And this is what she looks like. I love the packaging, really cute. Has the stars, really nice, simple. And I don't think I've ever tried anything for Lottie London, so I'm kind of excited. Ooh, look at her. I love that. It has stars on the actual bronzer. Do you see that? I'm hoping you guys can see that. It's really cute. Such a cute touch to that. I love when brands do that. So I don't know, but it might be a little, oh no, it looks good. I mean, hopefully you guys can see it, but it looks pretty decent for me. You see that? It looks pretty good, I think. I don't know. We shall see when the day comes. And I also picked up this here. This is the, I thought this color was really pretty. Really pretty, especially for the fall time. This one is the Maybelline Superstay Matte Ink, and she is called Globetrotter. And oh my god, let's swatch her. Ooh, this is really like pumpkin, like a nice spicy shade, like really fall. This is super fall right here. Fall lips, guys. So pretty. Oh my god, I love it. Oh, it's so pretty. I can't wait to like wear this color. Really pretty. I think it's gonna look so gorgeous. Let me know what eyeshadow palette you guys want to see, you guys. I did order a pair of eyelashes. They're actually e.l.f. eyelashes, but they haven't come in yet. I don't know. Hopefully it comes in by the time I film the video. If not, then I'll just have to use other lashes. But I did order a pair of e.l.f. lashes. I heard they were really good. So yeah. And that is pretty much it for today's video. Hopefully you guys enjoyed my little mini haul. If you did, give this video a big thumbs up. Also, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe if you haven't yet. And I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye.